In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the software on your Mac computer. Now, this software, I just want to say that is not a software mobile app. So this is not a mobile app that will actually work on your iPhone, iPad, Android tablet, or Android smartphone. This only works on your Mac desktop computer or your laptop, like a MacBook Air or something like that. So let's go ahead and show you. After you've logged into your account, what you have to do is go to the corresponding software page, and then you can download the software. Now, inside your members area, you will see the software link at the top. You can go to the corresponding one. And what I'm going to do here in this video is I'm just going to demonstrate how to install the Amasuite product analyzer, but this method applies exactly the same to all of the other software contained in Amasuite. So once you've gone here, all you have to do is go ahead and click the download button. Now, I'm using Chrome web browser here on my Mac, so this is applied to any other web browsers as well. So I'm just going to kind of get it in view here. So what you want to do is under the Mac download, you'll see the green download button. Just go ahead and click that, and it will show you that you're downloading to your Macintosh here. Now, if you do see like a little warning or something like here saying like this, there's a warning about this file is not recognized on the internet or something like that, don't worry about that. Just ignore that, and you should be able to see, like when you click this little drop down, you'll say something like get the file anyways or something like that. So just select that option in there. I can't remember offhand what it will show. It's not showing me here, so maybe they've taken that feature out of the browser. Anyhow, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on Show in Finder, and it'll bring me to where I downloaded it. And by default on my Mac, it just brings you to the Downloads folder, and it's contained in a zip file. To extract out the setup file, all you have to do is just double click. It'll automatically just extract it in the same location. And then you get what is called a DMG file, which is a disk image file. So to install the software on your Mac, you double click it, and it will open up this here. Now, I'm not too sure why it's not showing the applications icon. It's just a blank document there, but don't worry about that. That's no problem. So once you see this, you're going to see the disk image appear on your desktop like this, and then it shows this disk image. And what you need to do here is pretty important. What you have to do is you have to grab this icon and you have to slide it over into your applications folder like that. What you've just done is you've actually taken the file off of the disk image and you installed it right onto your Mac computer inside of the applications folder. That's what you just did there. Now, I want to specify, make sure you do not just double click this file here, because what you're doing, if you just double click this icon within the DMG disk image, what you're trying to do is you're actually trying to run the software from a disk image, and that won't work. It just won't work at all. You'll get an error that comes up that says you can't find this file in this folder or something like that. You have to simply left click and drag this icon over to the applications folder. And you can see there, as I held it open, it actually show you a preview of it. Now, the version of operating system I'm using is, I have the Mac OS Syria. So previous versions of Mac, it will still work. I think about 10.8 it should be fine. Anything before 10.8 it might not work. I'm not too sure, but it should work just fine. So let's go ahead, and all you have to do to remove this is just click the little X there and right click this and eject, so that will get rid of that there. And now that it's in your applications folder, so let's just go to my applications, and you should see the top product analyzer is right here. And so when you click that, the first time you load it up, you will most likely see a warning message. So this says, is application downloaded from the internet? Are you sure you want to open it? And I'm going to say open. And it opened up there. Now, sometimes it will not do that. So before I show this part here, I'm just going to cancel. Sometimes you'll get a warning saying it's not a recognized file, and you have to go into your to your Mac preferences and change a setting. So let me just show you that here. So I just went over and downloaded the Amasuite analyzer here, and I just want to show you the example here. So let's just double click there, install the Amasuite analyzer. And I get a little window here. I already have it installed, so what I'll do is I'll always replace. Okay, and I'm going to go to my applications folder and open up. And you'll get this warning here. Now, if you see this warning, you can't open because it's not from it's from an unidentified developer. So all you have to do is click OK. And you need to go to the little Apple window up in the corner, left-hand corner of your window. I can't seem to move my video over. Let me try here. Okay, I was able to move it over here, and you go to the little Apple here, and you go to System Preferences, and then you want to go to Security and Privacy, and you'll see a message here. Amasuite Analyzer was blocked from opening because it's unidentified. But all you have to do is just click Open anyways, and it will work. If you're using a previous version of Mac OS, you might actually see another little grayed out checkbox down here saying you can download from other sources that are not the App Store. I can't remember the exact way it's worded, but all you have to do is click this little unlock down here if it's locked, and then enter in your password. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And then it'll open this up, and then you can select that option there. In this version of Mac OS, they don't have that option there anymore. But I just want to show you, if you have an earlier version of Mac OS, then you have to unlock and then click the little button there, because it won't actually show this little message. But if you see this message, no problem. Just go ahead and click Open anyways. And then you'll see this here. Then just click Open. And then it should open up just fine. And that will come up like that. Now, as I showed you just a little bit earlier there, you saw a little message coming up saying you have to enter in your email address that you used to purchase. So when you purchase the software, make sure you enter in the email that you used to purchase. It's either your PayPal email or the email that you entered into the order form page that you wanted the software to be delivered to. So make sure you enter that email in, and once you do that, the software will be registered on your computer. And when you update the software to new versions, you won't have to enter in your email again. It should just remember the email address you already had in there. So that's how you install the software on your Mac computer. Pretty simple, straightforward. Thanks for watching.